Good evening. This is Patty from Patty's Kitchen, coming to you doing some quarantine cooking with Patty. Okay, today, guys, I made some chicken and dumplings, and it is delicious. And let me tell you what I put in: the herbs and the vegetables. I put in garlic, green onion, bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, fresh parsley, and celery. And I used chicken breast, and I browned my chicken breast in a little oil. And once I browned those, then I put my vegetables in the same skillet, and I sauteed those. And when they were the texture that I wanted, I put them in with my chicken. Okay, this is the broth base that I used. This is the broth base, and I used that with some liquid chicken broth. I beat it up together. I put about a tablespoon of flour, and I whisked that really well, and I poured that in my chicken and my vegetables and herbs. And I brought it to a high boil, and once it boiled a lot, then I turned the heat down to medium. And at that time, I added my dumplings, and I used the dumplings from the frozen meat counter. I did not make homemade dumplings, but these are just as well, and you can find them in the frozen foods section. And after I cooked that until they got to the texture that I wanted, that I needed, I slowly added some English peas, a small can of English peas, and that was the last thing that I put in. And I simmered that until everything was well done. And I don't know if I told you, I put carrots in it as well. I forgot to tell you about the carrots. I cut up carrots and put those in there as well with the other herbs and vegetables. And I just simmered it, but you have to keep stirring it so that it won't stick. And I'm telling you, it is super. It is amazing. A very thick gravy. And Tyler is going to be my tester tonight, and he's going to show you what this really looks like. Okay, look at that. Hold it closer to the camera. Look at that. I mean, delicious. I have had a bowl. I'm going to get another bowl. Tyler has had one bowl. He's on his second bowl, and he's going to tell you what it tastes like. Tyler is my producer. Generally, he helps me to set up my videos and all of this, and I do appreciate that. I'm going to come back at another time and show you from scratch just, what I do, but I'm just telling you right now. Tell the folks what it tastes like, Tyler.
It tastes delicious. It's great.
And this is his first time ever trying chicken and dumplings. I have not made chicken and dumplings for a long time, so I decided I would do something different to show you all. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, follow, and like this video on YouTube. Thank you so much. I am Patty in Patty's Kitchen. Good night until we see you again.